Hey, what's up, everybody? Mikey T here again to talk to you about Jamaica Stories mission. Getting Jamaicans worldwide and those who love Jamaica to invest time as well as money into the country. I want to introduce a concept to you that will guide Jamaica Story and hopefully a mission that you will take on with us. And this mission is circled around social entrepreneurship. Social entrepreneurship is defined as an approach by individuals, groups, startups, companies, or entrepreneurs in which they develop, fund, and implement solutions to social, cultural, or environmental issues. In other words, there comes a time when entrepreneurship is bigger than the dollars and the cents that you can make. When the focus shifts from profits to people, because honestly, is another $100,000 or $1 million going to make your life that much better when all is said and done? As entrepreneurs, we need to move back to business when it was about human connection and the spirit of community. Here in Jamaica, there are companies that we may never be able to compete with when it comes to price, but is it worth it that every dollar that we spend goes out of the community and our country? We pick and choose when we want to spend more money for the same service or product. Think about brand name clothes and phones. We spend more for what we want. But what if what we really wanted and strived for is social change and impact? What if the businesses we spent money at, they were a little bit more expensive, but those dollars went to do more inside of the community? More jobs that are more flexible and allow for growth and benefits. What if the business that I gave my money to gave a scholarship at the local primary and or high school? What if the business I spent my money at gave to the local church? What if the business I spent my money at bought a raffle ticket from my child when they were selling for a school project learning about entrepreneurship? What if the business I spent my money at was a bigger part of the community and helped give a stronger voice to all of us? That's what social entrepreneurship is about. That's how it works. It's a partnership between entrepreneurs and the community. It isn't only the business owner's job to do good for the community, but the people's job to support the businesses that support them.